This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charles Woolley. Hard to find 4-bedroom 2-bath pool home in Windermere with over 2,000 square feet. Close proximity to Olympia High School. Nice open floor plan and a large, screened porch off the back overlooking the pool. Fully privacy fenced backyard and pets are considered. This property is very clean and include upgrades such as granite and travertine floors. Large 2-car garage and plenty of space to park in the driveway. All appliances included. Pool and lawn maintenance also included. Hurry and make this your next home while it lasts. Ample closet space and large bathrooms. Full property management. Hurry on this one. Please respect occupants and do not attempt to access the property without an appointment through the listing agent. For more information, review the details below or contact Charles Woolley at 954-693-0100.